Ever tried to peel a hard-boiled egg and then before you know it, it just looks like the surface of the moon? There's hardly any egg left. By the end of these 3 different ways, you'll be saying, I can fix it! Like Fix It Felix from Wreck-It Ralph.
I can fix it.
Hey everyone, and welcome to 3 different ways. I've spent literally years finding hacks to fix everyday problems. So much so that I wrote a book about it. Yeah, and you can purchase it wherever books are sold. Ding! Please buy it. Let's go over to good old Reddit to see what kind of problems people need help with. This is from r/cooking. Kitten Squishes says, how the heck do I get my hard-boiled egg to peel nicely? I get it. I really do. I get it. You think there's gonna be so easy to peel and then you just wanna sink your teeth into your hard-boiled egg and it's falling apart in your hands. I feel this pain. If your egg looks like this every day, you probably want a robot to cook it too. But you don't need it, okay? Be nice to robots, because they're coming for us. Be nice to them.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
But there has to be a way to peel an egg that doesn't involve a steamer. Luckily, the internet is full of people with egg opinions, if you will. So let's try to get creative and try 3 different ways to fix this problem. You know what they say, you gotta crack a few eggs to learn how to peel them? I don't know, you get it. Anyway, let's get cracking. All right, let's see what the comments suggest. F1 McLaren fan 007 says, just use a spoon to peel. Problem solved. All right, first of all, I love a race car fan who's also really good at peeling eggs. So thank you, F1 McLaren fan, wholeheartedly. A spoon. You don't need a machine to peel your egg. We got spoons. I got spoons for days. I bet F1 McLaren fan 007 has tons of spoons. Now, I've actually tried this hack before, so actually let's see how that went.
Hard-boiled eggs can be peeled with a spoon?
Well, mostly.
All right, so maybe it's not the method that needs fixing, but the man. I'm gonna try this again and see if I can do it any quicker. I'm gonna pretend like it's an F1 race. So I won't let you down, F1 McLaren fan 007. Let's try this. See, this is a real professional at work here. You know what I mean? I'm really doing this. Ready? Get in there, underneath. You gotta get under the membrane. Be nice to it. Because also the spoon acts as a little safety net because the curvature of the spoon helps you really get underneath. No, oh, that was a good one. Oh yeah. So this one, it came off a little bit differently, a little bit hard, a little bit difficult, but we still kept most of the egg intact. That's good peeled egg. Let's try another hack. Hack number 2, shake the egg in a jar of water. And yeah, I have tried this before, and I think it was pretty impressive.
Pretty.
Okay, roll the clip.
You can peel a hard-boiled egg by shaking it? Drop.
Yeah, that was me very impressed. You can tell. So let's see if this is still quicker than using a spoon. You ready for this? Poink. Oh, I just really like that. All right. Remember to keep a top on, because if you don't have a top on this, then the egg water will get everywhere. So it's just remember to have a mason jar up there, okay? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that eggy. Shake that eggy. Shake! Oh wow, look at that. You know? Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. Move over, spoon. There's a new guy in town, and his name is Mason.
You want the numbers, Mason?
Jar. Okay, whatever. Oh no, we have a problem. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my God. Look at it! I love it so much. It's so beautiful. One little tiny minuscule crater right there. It's such a good peeled egg. Still impressive. Still love it. Let's do another hack. Hack number 3. Here it is. This is the way. An older Korean man showed me this way 20 plus years ago. Crack the top, bottom, then roll it around until shell is cracked up. I've been doing it ever since. I would say about 95% success rate. I don't have an old man to consult in my house right now. It's just me and my egg. And you know, it's worth a shot, and I have tried this before, but let's see where I can improve. Roll the clip.
Cracking then rolling easily peels a hard-boiled egg.
Roll. Nope. So I cracked the sides of the egg last time. Let's try cracking the top and the bottom first, like that hack says, and see if there is any difference, okay? That's actually a big difference from what I tried last time. So here we go. Ooh, crack the top. Okay. And then we roll. So satisfying. Oh no! I went too hard. I ruined breakfast. I failed. That's why we have these tests. We learn, and we try again. And don't cry over broken eggs, it's fine, come on. It wasn't a success, so you know, maybe you do need a spoon or other methods, all right? It's important to have tools, that's why we're humans. We use tools because we're better than the animals, higher brain thinking. All right, it's fine. Well, we learned a lot about ourselves and eggs today, but nothing beats the satisfaction of a smooth, round, hard-boiled egg, your finger popping off a big piece of shell to reveal your beautiful snack. Now go enjoy your protein, okay? You've earned it. Let me know if there are other annoying everyday problems you need help with. Drop it in the comments and we'll find a solution together. YouTube, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Spoon. Egg. We shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that eggy. Oh yeah. Oh no. It was too much. Not enough water.